Do you want to take charge of your career and be highly employable at this difficult moment of time? And also, do you want to take charge of the change, of the transformation which is required by almost every single organization in the world right now? If the answer to any of this question is yes, then why not you come on my Implementing Safe class, where not only I'll teach you what is Scaled Agile Framework is, but also I will tell you tips and techniques and the way to roll out the SAFe framework. Or maybe you want to be a trainer, you want to teach others what is Scaled Agile Framework and how they can use it. I'm going to explain all that to you. Once you attend this 4-day course and give exams successfully, you will get a certificate, you will get a license to be able to work as a trainer, to share your knowledge with others, to help other organizations, other clients. This is something that will help you bringing the scaled agility in your organization. No doubt, this will make you, your CV, your profile, much more lucrative to hiring managers. Come and join me on my Implementing Safe class. Dates and details are given in the description below. And we'll have fun. Learning while having fun. See you there.